I'm here at Impressions Moxche, and this is the boutique all butler hotel within the larger Secrets Moxche hotel. So when staying here, look how beautiful the bathrooms. I love the bathrooms here, and I love Secrets Moxche. So again, Secrets is all-inclusive, adult only. So is Impression. It's just Impression is going to be really the higher end boutique property within the Secrets property. The rooms are very, very spacious, you can see, and this is a standard room size. So very spacious, beautiful bathrooms. And I'm going to take you outside here to check out the great view, beautiful pool. So we do a lot of weddings here at Secrets Moxche, and we can do a split room block. So you can have some of your guests stay over here at Impression, which we do, and then some of the rooms over at Secrets. This is obviously going to be at a higher price point than Secrets, but we have a lot of the wedding family, the wedding party. They'll want to stay over here, but then you have access to all of this. So this whole area, this whole resort is Secrets. Up there is the rooftop venue, which is extremely popular. We have a lot of people get married up on the rooftop. And then right here is the pool deck area. So this is extremely popular and beautiful at nighttime to have your reception. So look at all the unique pools here that you have access to, on top of having access to your own pools at Impression. So when staying at Impression, you can use all of these pools that are the Secrets pools, but you also then of course have the Impression pools. You have an Impression restaurant called Seaside. You have a rooftop bar, which is also open for lunch and dinner. Cielo, that's great food, pool up there. So they have a whole seating area there. But you can see all these different pools. This is a restaurant over here, Beach Club. This can also be rented out for a privatization fee for a reception there. The beach is looking really good, and this is October, so sometimes here we get some seaweed, but it is looking really, really good out there. Secrets is really full. This is low season, but both Secrets and Impression has very high occupancy right now. So beautiful resorts, love Impression. Up there is a rooftop infinity pool at Secrets, which is super cool. So if you're staying in the preferred club at Secrets, you get access to that rooftop pool up there. So again, this is Impressions Moxche here, boutique, all-inclusive, all butler, adult only, and this is the boutique property within the larger Secrets Moxche property, and you get access to all of this. So very excited to be here, spending a few days here and checking out everything that the resorts have to offer.